All right, we just got back from the hose place, American Hose. Got a couple O-rings. Very knowledgeable, nice people. So if this doesn't work, I'll just have the line made, and it's like $50. So they showed me all of the stuff that they use, and so yeah. The original lines aren't real big around compared to whatever, but the only reason I kind of want to keep it like this is it doesn't appear to be leaking at the STC, and if something happens, like I'm out of state, out of town, whatever, I could just go get the remover tool, pop a new line into this thing. But yeah, these are definitely a problem, these STC things. It says 06 on it. So I guess that's what it is. So I should probably stop fiddling with it before it starts leaking. Let's get this thing on here. Okay, so we get it on there. I do not like rolling the O-ring, but it's kind of hard to avoid. Again, like I said, this thing naturally wants to touch right here, so that's why you want your battery disconnected. Okay, so we're just gonna get in here and clean everything up, make sure there's no debris in here, and put our charge pipe back on, and it should be good. All right, so for those that are curious, let's see if I can zoom in and show you. So there's like a seat in there where the O-ring sits, so you want to make sure you get it nice and clean. So I went ahead and I pulled that connector because this is very slow going. This takes a while. You can't move it much, but you unplug the harness here, just pull that crap out of the way. All right, we'll be back when we're done. Okay, get everything back in there. Let's see. The fitting is down in there. I just have to keep an eye out for leakage. I'm going to clean it really good. Alright, we got check engine light again, but I disconnected the battery, so I don't know if that's why. Ooh, don't want that there. So we'll just have to get in here and see if it's leaking after a few minutes. Hopefully it's not. I can't see how it would leak considering the condition of the O-ring was bad. It was like deteriorated. It just got choppy. So usually when it did it last time, it was like and now that the check engine light went off, it's like it's going into some kind of closed loop, open loop type of thing, you know, like the OBD2 stuff. But like I have to use this to scan this. I don't think this does anything. I could try it. A lot of times too, scan tool will make the truck run really fucking weird, so I don't want to plug it in while it's running. Alright, so usually what I do